All right, so we're gonna get into my Dior purchase. Hello beautiful, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is YSLYCHIMA and I create fashion, beauty, and lifestyle videos. Today's video is all about my luxury beauty purchases for my birthday. But before we go any further, if you are new here, please feel free to hit that subscribe button and like the video if you enjoy the content, of course. Okay, so this first item is actually the last item that I purchased for myself for my birthday, and it's from Hermes. So this is the box that it came in, and it came in this huge box, and it's only one item, guys. And this was like my first time shopping with them online, and you know, I was just browsing the site, seeing what they have, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna get me a lipstick. Let's just see. And I just was amazed by the experience. I can't like put it into words, like the feeling that I got. I don't know, it's probably just me. It felt very personal, you know, so that really made me feel like I can give them some of my money, not all, but some of my money. So when you receive the box, if you've never received or purchased an item from them or any luxury, I think a lot of luxury brands that I've purchased from, you get a personalized like receipt. So it comes in an envelope usually, and the invoice of your item. So I bought a fall lipstick because we're, you know, heading into those months. I wanted something that I would be able to wear at least. I mean, I don't wear lipstick to work, but on the weekends when I can like socially distance without having to wear a mask, I would definitely wear lipstick or a liquid lipstick that, you know, goes with the look or whatever, you know, just to add a little extra oomph to what I'm wearing. So like other beauty brands, they have like names for their lipsticks. Hermes does not. They have it by numbers. So at least based on the receipt here, I got the Rouge 885 lipstick, and guys, I was just so blown away by the packaging. And it's a matte lipstick, by the way. That's what I prefer to wear, and if I want like it to be glossy, then I'll add a gloss, but I usually just purchase matte lipsticks or matte liquid lipsticks. So this is the box it came in. Very small, but I just really I love it. It's very hydrating, as the box says. It has an intensity, but it's comfortable to wear. It goes on so smooth, like it almost like it's like a mousse type of consistency, but matte at the same time. Yeah, so this is the lipstick that I purchased. As you can see, it comes in the branded box, the Hermes box, and it's easy to slide out. And what amazed me when I opened the package the first time was that it came in a travel pouch, and this is like canvas, and this goes pretty good with my Saint Laurent tote. So this just worked out so beautifully. All right, so this is the packaging of the lipstick. I love the white, black, and gold detail, and the cap is magnetic, so you are not going to like, you're not going to have any accidents in your bag if you just put it in by itself, because it's going to stay on. Like that detail, like I was just so blown away by that. I thought it was really cool. I have actually worn this already, so I'll pop up a picture so you can see how it looks on. It's just so beautiful. I love it. I really do. It's amazing. So the next few items are actually fragrances, a couple full sizes and a few like travel sizes. So we're gonna get into the full size first, and I got the YSL Libre. I did do a sample of this like last year, I think, and I really love the perfume, but I have this thing where I don't buy perfumes unless like a bottle is complete. So one of my fragrances were used up, so I replenished that space with this one. So I really love how it smells. It's like a warm floral. It has hints of orange blossom, I think jasmine. It's just a rich rich auntie vibes you're getting from this perfume. And I'm so happy that I purchased it. I love the packaging. I love the gold black detail. Like, I'm into that. So this works for my vanity. So in addition to full size fragrances, I also like to have travel sizes, specifically like the rollerball ones, because I just feel like they last very long as opposed to like the spray. So these 3 items I got separately actually, but around my birthday. So the first one that I have is the Burberry Brit Share, and I've had this fragrance actually in the full size before. I mean, I didn't really want to purchase a big bottle. I just wanted to have like the scent whenever I get that feeling for this. So this is like a sheer, very lightweight, has like a powdery floral vibe. I'm not sure of the notes, but I can pull those up for you and share those like on the side here. But I really love this, and I will do like a repurchase of the full size eventually. The next one is actually from Gucci, and it's the Bamboo. I thought I liked this. I got a sample of it last year, and I thought I liked it, but now not so much. So I've already purchased it, so I'm just gonna use it. And as you can see, I have used quite a bit of it since purchasing it. And I did purchase this around my birthday, not on the day, but just maybe a few days off or before. I'm not exactly sure, but it's lasting. It does last, but I'm not in love with the scent anymore. But it's a really good scent. I'm not really that much in love with it, so I'm glad I only purchased the travel size and not the big bottle right away. So I really love the original. Is it Bloom? This one is Bamboo. So I really love the Gucci Bloom. So I think I will go ahead and purchase the full size of that once I'm done with this. And then this next one I absolutely in love, but is very strong. It's the Valentino Born in Roma. This is super strong, but I really love the scent. The notes of this is so like, it makes you feel rich instantly. So this is like an instant rich type of vibe it's getting off. I'll also put the notes up on the side of this as well, but it's really nice. I'm happy I purchased it. So this is definitely going to be a full-size purchase as well once this is done. So I really like these. I purchased all of these actually in Ulta, but not all at the same time. Yeah, I always say, like, if you want to try a perfume or a fragrance or anything, if you can get a sample it first, or if they have a travel size, go with the travel size. That way you're not committing to the full bottle or the price. You can just try it out, and once this is done you can be like, hey, nah, I didn't really like it, so I can move on to something else. All right, so we're gonna get into my Dior purchase. Now this was also like a repurchase of one item, and then I wanted to try another, but the price was actually reasonable. I was kind of surprised. So like I said, most of designer items usually comes with your receipt in an envelope, so that's what this is. And then the box with the items. So these I have not used as much. I have used the rollerball perfume, which I'm going to share with you. I got the J'adore fragrance, and I absolutely love the packaging. For this to be like a roller ball, you get so much. This is almost like a full size. How many fluid ounces is this? I'm not sure, but I really just love the packaging. Like I said, these just last very long because you're just rolling on that amount. But let's just look at that. Look at that. You guys know I'm into gold. So that's that. And then I also got the J'adore body lotion, and I figured that I wanted to try the lotion as opposed to the bigger perfume. I felt like this would have lasted much longer, so that's that. And it's not a glass bottle. I thought it was going to be a glass bottle, but it's literally like a flexible plastic. So you just screw it off and you squeeze out the amount, and ooh, too much. It smells so good. My last makeup video, I mentioned that I don't really purchase mascara, because whenever I get the opportunity to purchase something online and they offer like a travel size or a miniature or something, I always go and choose, go to look to see what mascaras they have available. So that's what I did, and I got the Dior Pump and Volume HD mascara, and that came in like that miniature size in black. And then I got some perfume, sample perfumes. This one is Rose Gypsy, and then I got the Miss Dior Roses and Roses sample. So yeah, I think I'm actually gonna purchase the large size for this, because I did try this in store and it smelled really good. So I'm happy for that. And how cute is this little pouch, guys? Like, how cute is that? I love it. All right, and the last few beauty items that I got is from Chanel, and you guys know how I feel about Chanel, so I definitely had to get some more items. I only got 3 items, and the first is their Ultra Le Tint All Day Comfort Foundation, and I got mine in the shade 145. So if you use the NARS Nucleodonia, then this would be your shade, and I'm actually wearing it on now, so you can see like it matched me perfectly, and I really love the consistency of this. It wears mattes, it dries pretty quickly, but I really love the coverage on this. It's very good. I also bought another Chanel liquid lipstick, and it's a matte lipstick, and it's like a peachy nude. I really love how it wears. It's not uncomfortable on the lip at all, but it's not like a full coverage to me. I'm wearing it right now, so you can see it's a very muted down tone. It's more like a stain. Actually, it's like it's a stain. It's a lip stain. This time I bought the shade 176, and it's a warm beige, very like mauvey brown color, but I really love how it wears on me. I also got a bronzer from Chanel, and I got it in the shade Sunset. I am actually also wearing that today as well. Let me know if you want me to do like a full makeup video with the Chanel makeup that I purchased. I have been using the bronzer quite a lot. Also been using the brush that it came with, but it's a very, even though it looks very brown here, it comes off very gold on my skin, but I don't mind that because I really love the glow that I get with it. All right, guys, so that is all the luxury beauty items that I purchased for my birthday, and I've used just about all of them already. I'm sorry it's late. It's like a month after all these purchases, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will definitely link them below, so if you're interested, you can purchase through my link. I do get a very small commission if you do decide to use the links, but I'll very much appreciate it. Also, if you've made it this far in the video, I would love if you would subscribe to my channel, like the video if you enjoyed it, and leave me a comment and let me know which one of the purchases you were most likely to purchase. Let's just say that. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.